Hi all, just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. Here in Michigan, kind of what we'll call the home track. We're building a jump here that I hope will be a camelback. So there's one side of it, the bike's there in the middle, and then the next camelback will be right behind the bike there. So that's the plan. It's great that the ground's not frozen. And I'll show you one little secret to riding anywhere where there's snow too, for those of you down in Kentucky and whatnot. Yeah, number 10 sheet screws, 1/2 inch long in a pit bike and regular old knobby tires. Pretty hard to beat. And they will shake out. There's some better things to use, but you got an hour and a half, you could drive a bunch of screws in your knobs, and if they're only 1/2 inch long, you won't puncture your tire, so it just makes it easy. So that's what we do in the winter, just to play around in the driveway and stuff. And you can ride them out in the track in the snow if the snow is not too deep, but we've already had almost 20 inches here and it melted off, so I'm taking advantage of New Year's Day, and I'm going to throw a little dirt over these, and I'm going to make another pile of them right behind the bike there. So it'll either be a camelback, or with a bigger bike like the 450, it'll become a double jump. So that's it. Happy New Year, everyone.